I won't slow down, building my empire in this buzzing town, casting my vision on the silver screen, my funded life, a vivid sheen, my funded futures, light the way.
Of course, right before we walk in, gold drops 8, S&P futures drop 7 here. How are you, everybody? How are you? Can anybody hear me? Test, test. Can everybody hear me? All right, everybody. How are you, everybody? Can anybody hear me?
I hear you, Steve. Does everybody hear Steve? Let's get some messages in the chat saying that we can hear, or y'all can hear them.
Good connection. All right.
Good connection. Yep.
Wow. Did you ever think today, I'm going to show you this buy divergence, but did you ever think that the S&P futures would gap down, trade down to 65.92, round up to 67.22, and then drop down to 66.67, and then rally up to 66.96? Well, guess what? It's called volatility, right? It's called volatility. And every day trader wants volatility, okay? And that's exactly what we want. Of course, when you walked in here, I was talking to Denny. Gold was trading around the 85 and a half, and of course it drops $9. S&Ps were trading above 97, and they dropped 9 as well. So, hey everybody, Denny, welcome back, Denny.
Steven, how was your weekend?
It was a great weekend. And I got to tell you, last night I went solo here. We had about 400 people. It was a slow night, but we had some really great calls. NASDAQ, S&P shot up and then got kabooshed. Gold got shot up and then got kabooshed. It was a great night overall. What a great day trading today. If you love volatility, okay, if you love volatility, I wanted to show you a really great pattern from this morning here. I want to show you. You see this push down here? Okay, we got the push down on the right after the opening. Well, this is called a buy divergence right here. A buy divergence in a what's called a sell disconnect. The 15 and the 30-minute time frames were in sell mode. Okay, look at this, gold right back up. And then you got the push down. So tell me right now, if you draw your horizontal line, did the MACD make a new low on the 60? Did the MACD make a new low on the 30? Guess what I said? I said buy them, right? Now, I'm not going to stand here and tell you I was expecting a 130-point rally on the S&Ps and 400, 500-point rally on the NASDAQ, because that ain't the case. I was looking for anywhere between 8 and 15 points, and they just exploded. But overall, the mood of the market, okay, was because Jerome Powell was talking at 12:30, and they were very bulled up, thinking he was going to say something very, very, very positive. And, you know, for me, I'm just telling you that I think the most important thing, okay, is that when you're trading the markets, you need to learn the technical studies using multiple time frames. And I wanted to show you this positive divergence, okay? Great pattern. All right. Hello, Miss Valerie. How are you? Now, I want to also, let me see here. Can I go back to the big camera? Okay. All right. So, all right. We have a special announcement tonight here. There goes gold. Gone. New highs on gold. Okay. Gold previous high, 41.91. So I have a special announcement to make, Denny. You ready to hear it? Denny?
Tell me what it is, Steve. What's the announcement?
So we're going to do a giveaway at SK Trading. We're going to give away 20 free 1 week, 7-day subscription to my live stream, completely free. But you can't, this is only for new people who have never been with me, and you can only win once out of every 3 months. Sorry, those are the rules. Streaming is very, very expensive, but I'm willing to let you guys come in for a week for free to try it out. I stream every day from 9 to 4, and you can see the calls we make in the market, index futures, commodity futures. I teach the underlying ETFs, and you know what? It's a great, great opportunity for all of you. So again, I'm going to give away 20 tonight, and we're going to do it with the AI spin wheel. And again, the rules are the following. You can't win more than once in 3 months, and you have to be someone who is completely new. You can't be an existing member, or you've won, or if you won in the past, you can't win. This is only for those who have never been with my stream and want to try it out for 7 days for free. And I'm eating the cost on it. So guess what? It's just an unbelievable opportunity. So I'm going to give away 20, Denny. What do you think of that? There you go.
I think that's wonderful, Steve. Being able to learn from you, even if it's only for 7 days, is one of the best things in the world, because of you. Not only do you take time to teach everyone, but you also give them the same trades that you are willing to take on your own accounts.
Absolutely. And that to me is, I want people to learn and trade with confidence. Today, my good friend here who came from Austin, Texas, made over $1,000 on 5 accounts. The gentleman behind me had a very good day. I don't want to be privy to his personal information, but he did phenomenally well in the last 2 days on real money accounts. So again, this is what I do. I want people to succeed. This to me is really important. It's really important for people to learn, not just so you go and you trade prop accounts and you blow them up and you just keep spending money, and spending money. That's not what this game is about, right? This game is about really being in tune with everybody, to be able to have everyone succeed, and for you all to have your lives changed. And that's why I do this. I don't do this. I'm not an affiliate. I don't get paid as an affiliate for MyFundedFutures. I don't. If you blow up and I go, okay, special code, I don't do that. I'm too old for this crap. Okay. So Adam Daz, how are you? Okay. A lot of new people last night. Again, I'm going to give away 20 free 1-week subscriptions to anyone who's new to my and again, the rules are you can't win more than once in 3 months, and there's a reason for that. I want everybody to have a fair chance, and I want people who's never been in my live stream to have the opportunity. I don't want people just constantly winning, and then giving it the others never a chance. So I want it to be fair. I think it's fair. 7 days, you come in for free. If you win, you like it, you like it. If not, no problem. Each his own. Each his own. Okay.
Steve,
I think.
So how are we going to do that? How are we going to do that tonight?
We are going to how, Michael? A wheel?
A Google Sheet. We're going to share a sheet. People got to sign up.
Okay, Michael's going to put in a Google Sheet. Okay, and people are going to sign up, and then we're going to have an AI wheel.
A spin the wheel. Yes.
A spin the wheel. Yeah. So yeah, the answer is yes. Okay. So we're gonna have a Google Sheet. Maybe Michael can post it on TikTok. Actually, we're gonna. Those of you who are on TikTok, on my TikTok, you got to go to MyFundedFutures to be part of it. Okay. Also, you need to be part of it if you go to YouTube. You can post it on my YouTube. All right. Okay. The Google Sheet, my YouTube, and MyFundedFutures YouTube. Okay. How did everybody do today? You like volatility? Well, that was volatility. Damn straight. I love volatility like that. Okay? I love volatility like that. All right? So I think, Denny, you're going to do something tonight, right? What are you going to do tonight?
Yes. Well, seeing as Steven is giving away 20 of his 1 week to learn from him accounts, I am not going to do as big of a giveaway as we usually do, but we will still have a form sent out, and 10 winners will still win 50K core accounts.
Oh, look at that. I mean, MyFundedFutures has given out, this is, I believe, our 4th week or 5th week. MyFundedFutures has given out now, listen to this, over 600 free scale or 50K core accounts. That's absolutely insane. I don't know what prop firm does that. I mean, maybe there are firms who've given out like 5,000. I heard one time that did it as a promotion or whatever. But you know what? I mean, I think My Funded Futures is showing you that they're sponsoring this event. I'm hosting it here, and we're dedicated for all of you to hopefully win, but also learn and trade and make money and pass your evals. And that is what's really important here. Gold is $6 away from the new highs here. Mike Jock, how are you? Mike Jock caught the highs in the NASDAQ short before it got kabooshed. I love it. Awesome. Great.
Steven,
Yeah,
before
brother.
we continue on, can you have Michael send me that link for your giveaway so I can post it in chat? And then at 9:15 to 9:30, I will post our giveaway in our giveaway link in the chat. That way people can sign up for the core accounts.
Okay. Michael, you heard Denny? Okay. Great. All right. So, of course, when I walked in, I saw gold trading above 84.5, 85. I said, this is a short. And, of course, they got kabooshed. Gold making new highs here. So does everybody understand the pattern I just showed you off the 30 and 60-minute time frames? Monster day here. Monster day. All right. This gold's going to push up here. Okay. Quiet now here. Everybody, a lot of my guys had a really, really good day. Really good day here. Denny threw in a short on the NASDAQ, got absolutely kabooshed. And he did unbelievable. Made 3,800. Made 3,800 on 10 accounts. Awesome. All right. So, okay. How do I enter the accounts? We're going to be posting the the Google Sheets in here. All right. If this gold gets up to the 88.80 to 93.80, I'd probably look to short it here. 4,200 on gold tonight. I don't know about that. I don't know, Joe Lombardo. All I know is gold has a 93 RSI. It's one of the most overbought it's ever been. All right, so let me go back to the telestrator here. Do this, boom. Okay, again, this is the beautiful buy divergence here. Okay, this is the beautiful buy divergence. Let's switch this over to the 5 and the 15. Last night, all I know is I remember silver was trading 51.74. Okay, and it got absolutely kabooshed. God bless you. Okay, there it goes. There it goes. Silver, nice little bull flag right here on the 5. Beautiful silver. Just ran about 14 cents right there. Again, oversold, positive MACDs, 15s crossing up, positive here. Great short. All right, if gold gets to 88.80, short some, okay, on the prop, okay, Michael. Yep. All right. Again, welcome everybody. Can we get to 700, 700? We should have 1,000 to 1,500 a night. Arton, call your cousins. All right, come on, let's go. All right, it's Tuesday night. Let's rock and roll here. S&P's getting kabooshed now. Unbelievable. Like the S&Ps are trading 66, 67.04.05. I said, look to exit longs 07.5 to 9.5. They get up to like 08, something like that, 08.25. And then all of a sudden, absolutely kabooshed. Absolutely kabooshed. Now I want to show you a really great pattern here on the S&Ps, right? So I wanted to show you this pattern. This is called the pencil pattern down right here. Do you see that, everybody? It's called the pencil pattern, right? And when you get a pencil pattern like this here, okay, normally what happens is as it's trading up within the bar, we took the short. We took the short here around the 94 level. And guess what? Unbelievable. Drops all the way down. Look at that. Down to 76. Pushes back up. 94. We were calling shorts the high here. 94.75. This is the push down, the push up. Look at the negative MACDs. Unbelievable. Got down to below 68. Took the long here, scalp. Look at this monster bear flag. I called the short 91.5 up, or 91 up to 99. The high was 93.75. Look at this. Absolute Picasso bear flag, negative MACD. Boom, kabooshed. And literally in 7 minutes, the NASDAQ S&Ps dropped 18. All right. Gold, I wish lower this gold, 87.80 to 893.80 on the short. Just got up there. Okay. Pencil because of where it has. Yes. So basically, this is called the pencil pattern here, right here. You push this down. You want to short within the bar, and then as the bar closes, you re-short it again on the next bar anywhere. The negative MACDs, absolutely cabooshed. You could take the scalp long again with micros, and then you wait for the beautiful bear flag, and then absolutely cabooshed right there. Absolutely cabooshed. Okay. So that's that. So China CPI news at 9:30. Yes, thank you. Thank you very much. I know that already. The CPI for China is coming out, so that should have some type of an effect here. If you want to go 87, 80 to 93 there, and 88, 80 to 94, 80, you go wide every 2 points, especially with the volatility we've been seeing in gold. Okay. A did scalper. Okay, we got 439. Denny, we got to get up to 600 or more. Come on. Let's go. All right. Gold just now. Let's see what this gold just
Chat,
touched.
share the stream. Share it, like it. Let's get it up to 600.
Okay, we got to get this to 600, 700. Come on, guys. Every night. It's free. This is a free session here. And what you guys are learning is unbelievable. Okay, come on. All right, let's get the likes up. Let's get the viewership up here. All right, we got 445 watching here. All right. And again, I'm going to do 20 giveaways for 1 week free trial, 1 week free to my live stream. Okay. And again, the rules are you have to be someone who's completely new, not part of my live stream, someone that's completely new, and you can't win over, you can, after 3 months, you can win again. But I want this to be for people who have never been in my live room every day. So I want this to really, look at this gold, missed it by 20 cents, kabooshed. Okay. All right. Gold just dropped 2 here. Again, the sell divergence, the MACD is not confirming the high on the 5-minute. All right. I canceled the gold short. Just missed it unless somebody took it on their own. Guys, you got to hit the like buttons here. Michael, I can't see the amount of people. Oh, here it is, 458. Got it. All right, gold just dropped. Wow, gold just dropped 3. I missed it by 20 cents. I was 87.80. Look at this. Oh, it hit 87.80 on the prior bar. Well, if you're short, just look to cover. I don't think anybody got short, but if you got short, just lower your stops. Okay. Took that gold short. Jeffrey Shear. Good job, Jeffrey. Welcome back, Jeffrey. So today I get a text message from someone, and I want to read it to you, okay? And okay. So I have a text from here from somebody, and someone I've known for a couple of years now. And I'm not going to get into everything. He just said, I'm back after, I've been with you since 2023. I took some time off. I lost 30 grand just trading on my own, etc. I spent time chasing different methods, blah, blah, blah. But I realized, honestly, I miss being with you and learning from you and training with you. And since I've been back with you, I passed evaluations, and it really touched me today, and basically, that's what this is all about. When I get text messages like this, it's really about, it really gives me the ability to really just say thank you to people who have been with me and who believe in my methodology, believe in the skill set, and experience. And all I want you to do is be successful, right? And that's all I can really care about. All right. Long gold 24/7. Well, that day is going to come. 93 RSI. I think we're right around the corner from a cabooshin here. As gold just dropped 3. I can't buy gold even with your money here. Now you do have the ADX rising here on the 15 right here. You can see the ADX rising and this little push down. You got to switch to micros on longs, but a really, really, really great day here. Come on, 438. Let's go. We got to get to 800, 900. I mean, come on. I had 400 last night, and it was a Columbus Day holiday. Let's go. We got to get more people on. Let's go. Okay. All right. All right. Gold just dropped 3. If you caught the short, Michael, any way to make the fonts bigger on this or no? On the YouTubes?
We need another monitor.
That's why it's slow, smaller. I do not look at XAU, please. So don't ask me, please. Okay. I love trading in Florida. Okay. I love trading in Florida. There you go. You didn't have to get another monitor for that. Okay. All right. Okay. All right. Hi, Isaac. How are you? Gold dropped about 4 now here. You want to buy gold here? I can't buy gold here. First time watcher, Market Extreme. How are you? Market Extreme. All right. So again, we got the China CPI. Normally we got a couple good trades right before the market really kicks into gear at 8:40, 9 o'clock. Obviously, we have the Chinese market. Nasdaq about to go down. I think the Nasdaq's going to get crushed, but you got to be careful because the 15s are getting oversold here. Okay, so what volatility today? 65.92 and change, and then all the way up to 67.22 and a half. We caught the shorts on the highs, and they got kabooshed. Okay, Libby Duo, it's me. How are you? Let's go, everybody. We got to get the viewers up here. We got to get the viewers up, Denny. What are we going to do to get these viewers up? I got a new bull sound. If anybody's interested, I got a new bull sound. That sounds like a bull. Actually, my dog Hendrix today was I don't know what the hell he was doing, laying down and moaning. He actually sounded like a bull, right? Unbelievable. My crazy Hendrix, my dog. All right. Come on, guys. We got to share the stream. I can't see how many viewers now, Michael. Do you know where that went? Yeah. All right. Okay. All right. Let's see if this gold can get one more push up here. So you think gold hits 4,200 tonight? The high was 41.91. 41.91. I think you're going to get one more push up on these S&Ps here. Let's see what happens off the 30, 15s, and 60-minute time frames. All right. Anybody new here tonight? Anybody new? So I'm going to give away 20 free passes for a 7-day trial on my live stream. Okay. I air every day from 9 to 4, Monday through Friday, and it's free. Okay. The rules are you can only win once in every 3 months because I want everybody to have a fair chance. Okay. You win. That's it. Your name can never be entered. The IP, your email, and everything after that, we can detect. Boom. Gold just dropped 5. Okay. Jeffrey, you made 2,400 today. Wow. Good job. Back from dinner today. Have a great day. Wow. That's awesome, Jeffrey. That's awesome. I hope you can come make it to see me in November here. S&P just ran 3. NASDAQ just ran about 18 here. Okay, Power of Trading TV. I'm new. Well, welcome, Power of Trading TV. Great, awesome. 2 times 11, new. 2 times 111. Sorry, I'm getting at my glasses. Okay, all right. Clipstars new. Share on social, please. Let's go. We got to get this going here. Gold just got absolutely kabooshed. Down 6. Michael, I don't know what you're doing. I can't see what I'm doing. Hello? Michael?
Yeah, trying to fix it now, Steve.
Okay. All right. All I asked was to make the fonts bigger.
Right. Yeah, you're asking for a lot.
Then if you
the mouse and everything, it's just configuration.
Excuse me. Excuse me. Look at me. I'm not touching. My hands are on my hips.
Okay.
So how am I touching the hip?
It takes a second. It's not instantaneous.
I know, but you're telling me I touched the mouse. I didn't touch the mouse. My hands are on my hip. All right. Oh boy. Long night. Okay. All right. You guys got to win it. Okay. You need to enter. Again, you need to enter to win. Okay. You caught the NASDAQ long. All right. Look at this gold down $8, $9 now. Look at this gold. You caught the gold in and out, Geraldo. All right. So the gold probably would, I mean, the NASDAQ ran about what? About 18, 16, 17. All right. All right. Let's see here. So many new people here today. So really great for all of you to be here. Anybody short that gold up there? I can't believe it touched my number, 87.80. Got absolutely kabooshed. That's right. Hands are on my hip. I'm not touching the mouse. I'm standing here. Trunks trader, good job. 1261 on the gold. Thoughts on silver? Well, I'm scared to touch the mouse because he's working on it. So thoughts on, oh my God, gold down $10. Oh my, you short?
Yes, sir.
Oh my God, lower your stops, please. Good Lord God. Oh my God. You short? Elbows off. Let's go. Elbows off. Let's go.
Yep.
This ain't, we hit the Powerball. Okay. Love it. Okay. What is this nonsense? You don't put your arms like this. You don't put your arms folded. Never.
Okay.
Okay. Let's go. Hand on the mouse all times.
Yep.
You crazy? Gold got absolute. Denny, you got the short?
Steven, is that even a question?
I know Denny's short.
I was saying, is that even a question at this point?
I know. That was a stupid question. What am I doing here? Oh my God. Kabooshed. Can I see the number of viewers, please?
Here, I got your caboose. Hang on.
Well, it was there. Now it's gone. Hello?
I can't fix it every 5 seconds.
It's not fixing every 5 seconds. All I asked you to do is if you can make the fonts
It's right
bigger.
here.
Where?
I'm looking at it right now, Steve.
Okay, if you want to stand up and stop being a wise ass and come over and look at it, then you can see. I can't see it. Do you want to get up, or you want to be lazy? Oh my God! Look at this gold. Oh my God. Oh my God. Look at this gold. I can't even think about the word buying. I'm scared to even look at where silver is. Denny, there's something with my YouTube. You want? Excuse me. Hello. Okay, that's it. Denny, can you tell me how many users we got?
How many people? What do you mean by users? Like how many people we got watching right now?
Yeah, I can't see.
We have 500 people watching right now.
Somehow I can't get it on my YouTube here.
You might have to scroll down a little bit. Are you watching our YouTube?
Yeah, I see it, but I don't know. I asked him to change the fonts, and I don't know what he touched.
Okay. Yeah, we got 500. We got 504 to be exact watching right now.
Okay. Yep. Wow, look at it drop. Unbelievable. NASDAQ just popped. S&Ps just popped. Silver dropping. I can't tell. Let me see. I'll just move the silver here. Okay. Yep. Silver dropped.
I got in on that 3 cons at 185. I wrote it all the way down to 175.
$840 on that gold. Wow. Good job. Great job.
Who made 840 on it?
What happened?
You said 840?
No, somebody made 840.
Oh, yeah. That's what I'm saying. Who made that?
I'm not sure. I just saw it go by. Okay.
ICT, I do not look for SMTs. I'm gonna be honest. I don't even know what that is. I don't pay attention to that. It's scalping. It's scalping. That's what's happening right now. Is we're just scalping.
Mixed 640 on that drop. Good job. You still short? I hope you covered. Good job. You short? No, right? Okay. All right. You did the long on the S&P, short on gold, Juan Pablo. Good job. I thought the 15s were going to turn up here. Please don't even mention the ICT. Okay. Okay. All right. 1,494 on silver. Unbelievable. Great job. Great job. Great job. Great job. How about them Falcons? I can't believe, I saw something on YouTube today. I got to tell you that it really reiterated exactly what Fox said today. I was watching Fox this morning, Fox and Friends, and they were saying how the Kansas City Chiefs get the most favorable calls, right? And then I go and I start watching something on YouTube, and this guy pins out like the touchdown from the Lions got called back, the betting score, this, that. Oh my God. Like all these, there was one penalty on the Chiefs last night, right? And I got to tell you, like, it really, like, I think it was the first time in 70 years, if I'm not mistaken. I hope I'm saying it right, that the first time in 70 years, okay, that they, that a team didn't have a penalty or something like that. I thought I saw, but these 4 or 5 plays, like there was a holding on Travis Kelce that Mahomes scored. Nothing got called. So I was like, whoa, this guy might be right, man. So anyway, whatever. Okay, whatever. That's that. So anyway, okay. Gold kabooshed and then kaboomed. Okay.
Yeah, I took the long.
You got the long?
Yeah.
Okay. What did it get down to on the gold actually here? Silver, 60 on the gold here?
71.60.
Wow. All right, ran 5. Any push up, got this negative MACD here. Okay. Gold rallying, we'll see. Silver down, gold, S&P's down 2.5 here. All right. Not a bad day. Turtle soup. I know Linda pretty well. Introduced the idea of the turtle soup, one of my favorite trades. Okay. NASDAQ melting. Okay. I took the fast long scalp on gold. Aaron, are you on, Aaron? Aaron from Hawaii, are you there, brother? Aaron, or is it too late there? It might be day hasn't started. Okay. Broncos fan here. I agree. The Kansas City Chiefs refs mean, I know. I'm telling you, something's going on. I don't get it. I just don't get it, really. Okay. What's your opinion on the NASDAQ right now? Or NASDAQ would be a short on the next bounce on the 15. When is the Traders Cafe? I hope to have it. I swear to you, I hope to have it by June of next year. Meeting some people, hopefully in the next couple of weeks. Hopefully, my God willing, move this thing along, find a nice place, gut it all out, fix it up, weight room, TV room, exercise room, right? Right after trading, boom, big lounge area. I think I'm going to try to architect it for 200 seats. I think that's going to be unbelievable. Okay. I really think that's going to be unbelievable. Okay. Okay. All right. Full bar? No. Come on. What are you guys? I don't know. What's the cost? I haven't even built the place yet. What's the cost? Okay. Bunk beds? Maybe. No bunk beds. Okay. 200 seats? Yeah. That's what we're talking. They want about 100, 150. I said, let's go 200. Okay. James J, we're going for sure 24,700. I agree. I think the market's going to get absolutely cabooshed. Now, Thursday, we have the retail sales number. Okay. 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 All right. S&P's just pushed up. Do you have a layout, SK? Yes. A layout of that? No, in my mind I do, but it'll be easy to draw out. Easy to draw out. All right, easy to draw out. Denny, I can't see on YouTube. How many viewers we have? Sorry, I can't see it.
512.
Where do you see that?
I'm looking at Michael's.
Oh, he left. So he may never be coming back. So watch what I do. Okay. Thank you. 512. That's it. Thank you. Come on. Can we get to 600 here? Can we get to 600? Hello, what's that? Angela Milmary, how are you? All right, so very quiet. Gold just got cabooshed, gets all the way down to 71, drops 16, runs 8. Nothing better than trading gold, I'm telling you right now. I mean, the index futures were absolutely crazy today, the index futures, okay? So okay, Michael, what I'm trying to show you is I can't see the viewers. That's what I'm trying to say to you right here. Do you see here? I can't see the amount of viewers. I don't know. All I ask.
I'm looking at them right now
Where? Where do you see the viewers?
on the bottom left-hand side.
Here?
Further left. Further, right in that area.
Oh, that I didn't know that. I thought that was mine. Okay. All right. So it got cut off.
No, it's been there.
All right. Okay. There goes the gold up 10. Okay. All right. Should have bought that gold. All right. Let's see what the silver's doing. How many people trade silver? You want to talk about something crazy? Forget it. I have a friend of mine who trades silver. He lost his mind. He actually went to Dominican Republic for 2 months because he said he's completely burnt out from trading silver. Can you imagine? I said, Paul, what are you, out of your mind? 1,800 on gold. Good job. I love the fact, when I started this stream at night, nobody ever, I mean, I can't tell you, let me rephrase that. When I started doing this, so many people came to me and said, thank you, thank you, thank you for introducing us trading gold. You know, most people would trade index futures, okay? And a lot of people came to me and they blew up my phone saying, I'm scared of gold, I'm scared of gold. And I said, there's nothing really to be fearful of if you ask me, right? There's really nothing to be fearful of. And, you know, for me, I think one of the greatest things about trading gold is obviously the volatility. And you could trade micros, obviously, right? But the fact of the matter is, it gives you another asset to trade, right? So people say to me, you know, I like trading an index and a commodity. Well, you know, someone that I became very close with in the last couple of weeks, one day he was trading both indexes. And I said, that's a no-no in my book. You trade one, pick one poison. Don't pick two poisons, right? You pick one poison, period, right? You know what I'm saying, Denny, right?
I do.
And you could trade an index and you could trade, look at this gold. Oh my God almighty. I short this if it gets up to the 85, 80, 91, 80 range, or you can go 86, 80, 92, 92, 80. I would scale the short here. All right, if it gets up there. Michael, you could short some 86, 80 if it gets up there. Kaboosh. Just ran 14. So down 17, up 14. I mean, where are you going to get volatility like that? You know? Okay. I know. Yeah. Hey, welcome from down under, Australia. How are you, mate? What part of Australia? Nick P, how are you? You're shorting NASDAQ? Okay, I agree with you, but wait till the 15's got a little bit more overbought. Okay. All right. Look at this silver. The silver just rallied 23 cents here. Oh, again, you're pushing up here, negative MACDs. You want to see a little bit further go here. All right. Hello from India. Positive vibes. How are you? Up 2,400. Steve, hey, Stephen Engelman. How are you? How are you, Stephen? Great job. Great job, Stephen. Gold is crazy. Didn't know that. Well, you know, one of the greatest lessons I learned was from someone that I met in the COMEX who was one of the biggest gold traders in the world. And he told me, and he taught me about consistency, and that really changed my life. And I'm so blessed I got to know Steve, and really, we really hit it off. And Queensland, oh, that's beautiful. God bless you. Annoying noises. All right, my candle's short. All right, so basically, gold just got up to the, I think the 86 and change, missed it again by about 40 cents. All right. All right. Joel, anybody new? A lot of people new here, Denny. A lot of new. Can we get the 6, 7, 800 here? Come on. Everybody call your cousins. Repost this. Let's go.
We are still sitting at 503, Stephen.
I see it. I see it now. I didn't know where I was looking before. I apologize. Okay.
No, you're good. You're good.
Okay. All right. So tonight we're going to do something. We're going to do a free giveaway, 7 days to my live stream only. Okay. And you can only win once. These are for new people. These are the rules. You can only win once because I want it to be fair for everybody. And what I offer for 1 week is a lot. Okay. A lot. And so I want people to have the chance of a lifetime to be in it, to be able to see what my live stream is. And then they can decide if they want to move forward or not. That's here nor there. But I want everybody to have a chance. So I want everybody to have the one opportunity for them to be able to be part of it. So the rules are you can only win once in 3 months. I like that. It rhymes. Once in 3 months. Okay. All right. All right. Chicken trader. There you go. All right. Let's go. Hello, everybody. Welcome. Oh my God. I can't even see. Moon Sky. I can't even see. 9:30 Chinese inflation news. Absolutely. That's going to be a big one. That's going to be a big one. Let me tell you. That's going to be a big one. RV park for cafe? No. I hope I have enough parking in the what?
There are 97 watching in your YouTube.
Yeah, no, I see that.
Yeah.
That I see. I didn't see this number on the bottom.
Okay.
All right. Thank you. Okay. All right. My name is Angela. Not sure why it's annoying noises. Well, that's what it's coming up. It says annoying noises. Am I saying that correctly? Okay. All right. Oops, sorry, my fault. All right. I think this gold is going to get one more push up here. S&Ps and NASDAQ futures, I said the 15s were going to turn up. 15s did. NASDAQ just ran 30. S&Ps just ran about, I would say 8, solid 8. Okay. Nighttime trading, do you recommend to concentrate on gold? Well, I would. Unless you want to stay up all night and trade the index futures, because you don't get a lot of big moves on the index futures. I'll tell you that. You don't get a lot of moves on the index futures. All right. Is there a link? Yes. Hi, it's 6 a.m. here. I just woke up the stream. Shadow Dragon, how are you? Did I hear you chat starting your own prop firm or just sticking to SK? No, I'm not starting my own prop firm. What I'm going to do, I have my own website, sktrading.live, and I'm giving away 20 free access to my live stream, 9 to 4. Okay. NASDAQ, 20 minis, caboose and gold, not yet, soon coming. Okay. What I mean by the Traders Cafe, I'm trying to build something, and I hope I can do this. That would be a really great accomplishment. Sounders like a band. Okay, I don't know what that means. All right, she doesn't like time clock. All right. So the silver rallied nicely here off the oversold condition on the 5. This ran. Come on, let's see if this gold can shoot up. We had the nice short early on the gold, hit the first target in that absolute caboose 17. The oversold condition from 71.5 up to, look at, I called the short on the gold. What was the high? Jesus. I'm just missing it by pennies here. Jesus. You see the negative MACDs here. That's why you should have been more aggressive. Look at this. 80, missed it by 20 cents. Look at this. 86. That's the second. Look at this. 86.80. 86. I should have went 86.5. Look at this. $6 drop. When you get the push up like this, the 15's rolling over, the push up into the negative MACD. That's why I was calling the short right there. You caught the short, Jeffrey Shear. Great job. I leave the night stream to you. There goes the S&Ps. There goes the NASDAQ. Okay, it's going to be short. These should set up shorts soon here. S&Ps, I probably look to short these here. 95.5 up to even.5. NASDAQ, if it gets up to the 24,800 to 30 range, I look to short it. Look at this gold drop. Everybody understand this pattern here? This is a nice bear flag right here. That's why I was calling the short at 86.80 to 91.80 here. Beautiful short. Is gold a long here? I would not be long gold here. I was just calling a short. Why would it be calling long? St. Pete waiting on the invite. Tony B Trades, come down. I live in Jupiter, Tony. Come down and visit. Anybody's more than welcome to come. Mate, I blew up my account. I got nothing to trade on anymore. Well, I don't know what that means, but then MyFundedFutures, let's go get another account, okay? And you should be listening to me during the day. I don't know what you're doing during the regular hours, okay? All right, again, I have a website every day, sktrading.live. I would love for all you to come. Dodgers up 2-1, okay? How do I read the green ladder charts? Well, you got to learn. You got to learn, okay? You got to learn. You're not going to learn here. MEEP 667. This is a methodology I created. I spent 10 years of my life. I teach all this every single day in my live stream. So I hope to see you all here. Okay. All right. How do I get my entry ranges? I use basically the indicators combined with my oscillator, and I use my methodology to determine the ranges. And I teach all that. Okay. I teach all that. Gold is just too fast to change from 1 second to the other. Well, that's what you want, Chip Smith, don't you? You want to be able, okay? You want to be able, okay, to have that. You don't want something just sitting stagnant here. Okay, look, I tried to short the S&Ps here, 95.5 here was the high. Of course, it hit it and then didn't get 95.5 and dropped 2. Jesus, dropped 3. Oh, Nasdaq got kabooshed to hit 9,800. Oh, nope. Nasdaq just missed the. Let's see. It hit the high, missed it by 3 points. All right. I do not talk about ICT. I only talk about what I know. I knew we were oversold on gold. Boom. Well, you're talking about this long here on the 5 minute right here. The Chinese market's going to open up here, right here. All right, great long. I called a short. I don't want to take a long. I'm rather look to short than buy. Okay. All right. Let's go. Can we get to 600 here? All right. Thoughts on China opening? All right. Who thinks that China is going to open up and then down, or down and then up? I say up and then down. Good job, Arthur. 250 on 4 accounts. Good job, Arthur. That's a great job, Arthur. I'm proud of you. Down, down, then up. I say up and then down. Denny, are you on ICT on a 5 and 15? Me, 67, you're killing me. Okay? I say up.
I do not trade ICT. Just so
you.
everybody knows that. I do not trade ICT.
All right. So anybody get filled at 95.5 on the S&Ps? I don't know if you got filled. If you did, great. If not, I would cancel the NASDAQ and S&P. NASDAQ just dropped 18. S&Ps just dropped. Gold just dropped 6. Missed the short by 20 cents on the gold. Okay. Now, again, why am I shorting the gold? This is a beautiful sell divergence here off the 5 minute time frame. Just dropped 7, of course. Beautiful. Anybody short the S&Ps there? Do you drink iced tea? No, I drink water. Matter of fact, I got to drink more water. Singles and doubles. That's it. 522, Denny. Can we get to 700, Denny? What do you think?
I don't know.
Geraldo up
I'm
500.
700.
There you go. Geraldo's up 500. Juan Pablo got short the S&Ps. Good job. Now, that's rare. Gold just dropped 8. Wonderful. You're short? You got short?
Yes.
You front ran me. I tried to offer it. I didn't even get filled. I know, but you jumped in front of me. Doom Slayer forever, short gold, still short on gold. I can't even say the word buy gold. When I saw that pattern on the 5, I'm like, the 5 reversed to sell against the 15, 30, and 60. I'm like, oh, I just, against, I should have just taken it, but whatever. I'm glad somebody caught the long. Okay. Come on, 519. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Can you explain what mean more? What? ACC? What does that mean, Michael? ACC. Counts? I don't know what he means. I'm here every night, Monday to Thursday, and Fridays and the weekends. I commit myself to Bellevue. Okay, that's what I do. Okay. Gold sell. This is 41.67. Where's Arton? Up 11.50. Libby Doo, no problem. Great job, Libby Doo. Come on, can we get to 600? Where's Arton? Arton's in California. Is he asleep? Where is he? Did you see that OKLO go from 183 to 173 at the end of the day? Oh, my Lord God. I love shorting. I love it. I love shorting. Eddie Sargent, do you cross-reference your email I don't know. That's a question for Michael. I don't even know. Do I cross-reference? My brain hurts, Eddie Sargent. What kind of? What's up? Artan's here. What's it? Hi, Stephen. Do you cross-reference our email to our Discord name? Michael, was that a yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. You got stopped out. You were up 320, but made 120. I don't know what you mean. I don't know what you did. Okay. That's not funny, pit trades. All right. I'm not going to explain ICT in layman terms. It's not what I do. What kind of question is that? Jeter, what's going on? Dr. Zay, how are you? Nice to meet you. You trailed your stop. Target 4,200. Okay. ICT means I can trade. Great job. I don't know anything about ICT, and I don't wish to know anything about ICT. Okay. NASDAQ, very tight range. I agree. Boy, this is slow. All right. In 3 minutes, we got the James Robertson. What a job, James Robertson. Wow, up 500 on 5 accounts. That's a great job. James, I am beyond proud of you. Great job, brother. Great job. Great job, James. All right. All right. Todd Coles, how are you? Long gold soon? I would not buy gold here yet. Nope. We're doing account giveaways. Okay. Great job, James Robertson. Denny, did you post the where they can sign up in this? NVIDIA is up. Why is NVIDIA up?
Yeah, Steven, I posted it in the chat like 10 times, and then I also pinned it. That
You
way
guys
it'll also be at the top.
have to sign up.
Always be at the top.
Okay, Michael, did you put in ours too?
Zen, there is one on top. If you just look above the chat box, it's pinned in the chat. Just click it.
Okay, and also my form is in there too for the giveaways as well.
Oh, that's the one I posted first, Steven. After we're done with yours, then I'll post mine.
Thank you. Good work. Good, great job.
Yep.
Okay. All right. It's only for 7 days for my live stream. Correct. Free. That's it. You can only win once out of once in every 3 months. Okay. All right. I mean, I got to tell you, today we're there for phenomenal patterns here. Phenomenal patterns here. All right. 1 minute to the Chinese market. I say up and then down. Some people say down and then up. So we'll see what happens. We have an hour to go here. Let's see what silver's doing. Silver just hovering around. Silver over 50. I love it. First time I believe since 1982. Pick me. It's Kobe. It's going to be, it's random. Okay. What happened? James, great job. Yeah, you just test me out for 7 days. You like it? You like it. No, I canceled the range. You hit the range 95.5 and dropped to 91.5. That range is invalid now. Okay, but if you want to short it again, 95.5, be my guest. There goes the gold. I said gold up and then down. There it goes, up and away. NASDAQ, if you want to short the NASDAQ, 24,800 to 24,830. S&P's hit 95.5 again. There goes the gold. Gold's going to go to 89. Watch. Okay, gold's going to go to short gold at 84. I think it's going to go higher. And if it goes higher, I want to short it. Silver 15-minute time frame looks like, here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. If this gold gets to the, you can go 88.80 to 90, 94.80 or 89.80 to 95.80. You got to go $6 range, and you go every two. S&P's dropped 2. Look at this NASDAQ hit 97 again. Just dropped 10. All right. More pop on gold? I hope so. I want to short it. Okay. Okay. Oh my God, gold just got cabooshed. Again, with those negative MACDs there on gold, you can see it here. I'm hoping for where they just push up to here. 85 dropped 2, 3. I'm hoping S&P's just dropped 3. NASDAQ just dropped 8. Come on, gold. Give me a rally. All right, I'll cancel the gold short. Let's see if it gets a pop up here. Come on, gold. Come on, can we get to 600, 700 on the views here on MyFundedFutures YouTube? How? Verdict 98. So if somebody makes $2,000 on 4 accounts, they're linked, right? So it's 8,000. 3,800 on gold. I'm done. Steven. Hey, Steven Engelman. Steven on fire. Good job. Great job, Steven Engelman. Great job, Steven. Love this gold. ES to 67.80. Could be. I'd be short. All right. If this gold gets up to the, here we go. You can go 88.80 or 89.80 up to 93, 94.80 range. Here we go. Here we go. Again, pushing up. I told you up and then down. Let's see if I'm going to be right here. Look at this gold. Keeps trading up here. Here we go. S&P's just dropped 3. NASDAQ just dropped 10. Gold wants to break 41.88. Could. It could. And again, I would switch to micros here. Again, 9:30, we have the Chinese PMI. Again, if anybody wants to contact me, I give out my personal cell phone number, 914-500-7484. Up 1,200. Look at this. Biochem Compact. Okay. What's this gold get up to? 88. Oh, my God. It's going to go. This gold's going to pop. This gold's going to pop. I don't care, double blue. The MACDs are above the pivot. Remember, that's a short, right? When the algo reverses to buy. 200 on gold. Let's go. You want to go to 41.90? Here it goes. Here goes the pop. This pop can get to 91, 92. So I would be scaling micros in the range if you want to short into that range. No coughing. Leave him alone. It's a good man, JD. You okay, JD?
Yes, sir.
You need some water?
I did forget my water.
You want water? Just some water? No, go this inside the cafeteria.
Major key. That's
Ask and you shall receive.
Please.
Okay. There you go. Go get water. Okay. Go around. Actually, go around. It's faster. Okay. Toya's goal is going 91, 92. Here we go. Here we go. I told you it's going to pop. Michael Schwartzman at 92.80 on the gold. I see here. Your left. Oh. Schwartz one more 93.80. Schwartz one 94.80. There we go. This gold's going to drop. What's my average? 92.80?
93.30.
All right. Gold. Unbelievable. New highs.
94.80.
So 95.80. What's the average?
94.30.
Okay. Cover some at 94.30, 94, 93.80. Where's this thing going? Wait, look at this gold pop. Unbelievable. Gold's 12. I would be taking shorts up here looking for a drop. Where's the silver? You okay?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, I'd be scaling into shorts here. That's why I said I would use micros. Am I shorting 96? Short some 0680, 9680. All right. You have bids at 430?
Yeah.
All right.
Order filled.
Okay. What's the average?
Average is 94.80.
Okay. Short 3 more 97.80.
Order filled. Order
Okay.
filled.
What's the average?
It stopped you out.
How can that be?
I don't know.
This gold's going to drop. You're at 15 from the 10 bar. S&P's got cabooshed. Gold drop. Gold should drop here. This gold should drop at least $5 here, $6. You're 14 above the 10 bar. Kaboom. Good call, Arton. Again, if you want to short, I'd be shorting micros. Let's look at this gold. This gold's going to drop down to 92, 93. Maybe even lower. No, I see 98. No, I'm not. It's 97 right now. Oh, I want this thing to get cabooshed. How is that possible, though?
Steven, do you see silver right now?
No, let me look. I'm scared to look where silver is.
It's pushing.
No, it's pushing, but gold's going to drop here. This silver is short. You got non-confirmations here. It just dropped 16. This gold's going to get crushed. Look at this silver. It just dropped 16. This thing's an animal. This gold should drop at least 4 to 5.
If you would have wrote it, what is it?
Oh my God! Look at
minutes
this
ago?
silver. Just down 20 cents. You gotta.
If you would have gone in 10 minutes ago when it was pushing up, that's $3,000 right there.
Well, I said the 15 was turning up. I did say that right here.
Yeah. I watched it on the 5-minute.
You got this number coming out, unless they know something at 9:30 here. Watch this. Look at this silver drop.
It's going back up now.
I still think this gold is going to drop before it goes back up. Oh my God, S&P's just dropped 7. Here we go. Come on. Here we go. Come on. Drop 8 on the gold. Drop. Oh yeah, metals long-term, very bullish. Here we go. Come on, drop to 90.
You would have dropped $5.
Here we go. Come on. I think gold can get to 91.5. Look at this silver drop. Oh my God almighty. Wow, silver just dropped 20 cents. Jeez, I can't take the silver down. Look at this, 32 down to 12. Oh,
I love silver.
what a pop. Let's look at the 1 minute time frame on this thing. I never look at a 1 minute. Wow, look at this thing. Oh my God almighty.
I would say look at the climb at was it 854? It just went straight up.
Well, look what silver did. It went from, Jesus, it went from 04 all the way up to 32. Look at his silver get caboose, but gold's not dropping. It just dropped to 95. I'd like to see it go to 91. Let me go to 4,200 first.
Did anybody catch the silver drop? One con silver from the time it started dropping. That's already $1,200 to where it's at right now.
On one contract.
One contract. Traded coded good. Congrats, my man. $300 off that silver.
That's
on
a
4
great job.
accounts.
That's a great job. Look at this gold, 99. It's going to go to 4,200. Look at this, 99, 4,200. There it goes.
There you go. Look at it. Look at silver now. It's just climbing right back up.
Yeah, this gold's got to be shorted. 02, I would go like even 80 up to like 04, 80, 05, 80.
Oh my God.
Silver just ran like 15 cents like nothing.
Look at gold.
Gold, it's got to be shorted.
No, it's still climbing from 96. It's at 202 now. $6 already.
42. This is insane. This is insane.
$7 on gold. There's got to be some good news coming out
On the China thing. They know.
They have to.
Yeah, that's going to be. And it's dropping. Yeah, keep shorting. You're right. I am. It's going to drop. Got to watch this here. Just dropped $6 on the gold. I don't look at candles. Take note. News comes out at 9:30, I believe. I believe, as I agree, S&P's to 6,000. I believe 100% you're right. Gold just dropped 6. The silver was a monster short. Wow, 32 down to 03. Unbelievable. I agree. I think the reason why the metals are acting like this, gold going to 91, I agree, Artan.
Doc, if you wanted to tank, just ask Trump to tweet about it.
Gold going to 42.10. It could 42.10, but I'd like to see it get pushed down first.
I'd like it to come back down to 85 range, 185 before pushing up for gold.
I think gold's going to 91 before it goes up. 42.12, maybe 41.91 first and then 42.12. 06 could be. Where do I see gold in the next 6 months? Probably 4,500, 4,600.
Steve, were you planning on doing your giveaway on the
Yeah, why don't we
stream
do
tonight?
10 giveaways right now for my live stream?
All right.
Michael, you want to do that? Come on, let's do that. We're going to do 10 giveaways to my live stream, 7 days free. Long-term, very bullish on gold. Okay. All right. This is all done by AI. And again, only one winner. Okay. You can only win one time in 3 months. Okay. So let's do that. All right. Let's go, Michael. Let's do this. Michael's getting it ready. Come on, gold. Drop to 91. Are we going to spin it?
Yeah.
That's from last night, no?
You can spend it.
No, just spin it. Here goes the gold dropping 8. Gold's going to 91. All right, Michael's going to set the wheel up to get this up. $41.67. Tonight, I don't see that. All right. I hit the wheel. Michael's going to do this. We're going to do 10 giveaways now for my live stream, 7 days free access. Okay. 7-day free access. Oh my God. I can't deal with that. I can't deal with that noise. No way. No. Aaron. Sasha Amaro. Congratulations. No, you got to do away with the sound.
Can he share your screen, Steven?
Michael, can you share the screen, please? Come on. I need this gold to drop $6 now. Come on. Oh my God, I'm going to kill myself. Parisa the trader, how are you? Come on.
$5 more for you, Steven.
I think it's going to get there.
I think so
91,
too.
maybe 93.5, 91. Oh, it should drop 10 off the high. Michael, were we going to share the screen? Oh, Michael's going to share the screen here.
Got it.
Sharkila, congrats. Can we do something with the sound before I kill myself? Here goes the gold, 94. Here we go, Artan. Good call, Artan. Here we go. We're 93.5. Just drop 10 on the gold. Good job, positive vibes. What a short. Look at this, 93. Sean Wick, congratulations. That might be it, 92.5.
Yeah.
I think that might be it on the pullback. Freaking S&Ps just ripped $5.50. Good job, Jay Shines. Syed Hussein, gold just rallied 4. That was the low, 92.5. Hope you guys covered your shorts down there. Good job. Jin 1313. GN. Good night, 1313. Congrats. Again, this is access to my live streams, 7-day free access. Whew. We still short gold? I wouldn't be. I mean, I think it's going to 91, but if you're short high, I'd be covering shorts. Alex puns. And again, I said use micros. Okay? Use micro. Where's my keys? Oh, that's why I'm off. I need my keys in my pocket. All right. No. Hurry up back. I'm very superstitious. Come on, let's go. Cranston White. That gold short. Unbelievable. 03. Look at this gold down 10. Come on, give me 91, Arton. 92. This is a double blue buy. If this gold gets down like to the 85 and a half, 91 and a half range, you got to go long off the double blue. How many more, Michael?
Yeah, 2 more.
2 more? Everybody can see the wheel? I trust you. But it might be 92 and a half is the low. Max V7GR. Good job. S&Ps. Oh my God. I was looking at this gold, just ran $8. NASDAQ just ran 30. I never see the NASDAQ do this overnight. 91.70 is the low? You got to be kidding me. Mr. Salt, 33. Salta, congratulations. Is that it? 10?
Yeah, that's 10.
Okay, that's 10. Gold got down to 91.77. Okay. Come on. Look at this gold. The guy who bought 03s, he jumped. Okay. That's why I said you got to use micros. Okay. on the first short, 89.80 to 94.80. It did drop to like 90, 91 and change. You got to lower your stops. Okay. Let's go, Dodgers. What's the score? All right. Covered 91 in the money. Never got to 91. 91.70 was the low. Okay. That's it, 10. All right. Congratulations to the 10. We'll do 10 more. Again, this gives you free access to my live stream for 7 days. Okay. 7 free days to join my live stream from 9 to 4. Okay. It does not cover my chart overlay nor my member Discord. Just gives you access to my live stream. Okay. Silver. Unbelievable. Should have bought this. 97 on the silver, ran 10. All right. What was the low on the gold? Jesus. 90. I said 91 and a half. What was the low? 92 and a half. That's where I thought it was going to go. Just ran 5. Nice bull flag on the gold on the 5. I would cancel the long on the gold. Who said 91.70? I see 92 and a half right here. Just ran $6. That's why I said look to go long. Damn it. Live stream better than this. Live stream, I teach more. I show more. It's more stocks, more index futures, more commodity futures. I teach the underlying ETFs. Somebody bought the gold here. I knew it was going to go right back up. Look at this. $8. Damn it. I hope you covered your shorts down there. I said look to go long, 91 and a half. To look at this, 92 and a half. And I said the low is probably going to be 93 and a half, 92 and a half. Probably off the 3-minute right here. Yep, 3-minute bull flag. There it is. Just ran 10. Will be 10 in a minute. Gold kaboom. Anybody get the law? Look at this. I said, look at that bull flag. Oh my God. Ah! Jesus. Missed it by $1. Missed it by $1. Anybody get that long on their own? Missed it by $1. Congrats to the winners. Why am I mad? I called the long on gold at 91 and a half. The low is 92 and a half. That's why. Okay. I should have left the 3-minute time frame up. Look at this. Gold new highs 04. If you want to take a scalp short on this gold, 05 0580 up to like 1180, and you should use micros here, or you go 05.5 to 11.5 or 10.5 range. This gold, unbelievable. Where's the gold bull sound? Denny, they want the bull sound. This is the best to be trading here.
I'm working on it. I'm working on it. I'm about to have it uploaded into StreamYard.
S&Ps, I would take a short here. S&Ps 97 to 02. NASDAQ 07 up to 37. NASDAQ, let's see. We got the China. Well, you know what? Let's cancel the gold because the Chinese market, the CPI is going to come out. So that was a beautiful bull flag here on the 5-minute. Where you guys go? This bathroom? Okay. Thank you. I knew I was off. I didn't have my keys in my pocket. Okay. All right. 600. Can we get to 600? Denny, you want to do 5 giveaways now, right before the Chinese CPI?
5 of my giveaways or 5 of your giveaways?
No, I did 10. I'll do 10 in 20 minutes. You want to do 5 of yours?
I would love to, yet no one has signed up for ours, even though I've already posted it in the chat.
Wow, nobody signed up for MyFundedFutures giveaway?
Yeah, I literally, I kid you not, we have almost 600 people in here and only 100 people have signed up.
Only 100 people signed up for the free giveaways? Are you crazy? After MyFundedFutures is giving away over 600 of these prop.
I'll give them 2 more minutes. 2 more minutes to sign up.
Come on, guys, you guys got to sign up. Just 3 minutes before CPI, Artan. CPI, not 8:30 your time. Well, you're in California.
Steve,
right?
do you think I should go ahead and send it? Do you think I should just go ahead and pick 5 names? Go ahead and do it.
Just pick 5 names.
Okay.
Look at this gold. This gold's a short here. 05.5, 10.5, but we got the CPI number coming out. Here we go. 0580. Oh my God. What a
All right,
long.
chat. All right, we're gonna do it. We're gonna do it. Let me share my screen real quick.
If you're short, just scalp it. Silver.
Right. Wheel of names, everyone. The wheel of names. Let's do it. First winner, Cliff Daniel. Congratulations.
Look at gold drop. Just scalp the short. How about RSI? I do not look at it.
Next winner, Zeph Side 84. All right, 3 more. Who's going to be the lucky 3? We might pause.
Gold just dropped
so
2 just now.
News come out.
I'd be flat to gold if you're short. Silver just dropped 10 cents.
ICT NGL, congratulations.
Come on, Fighting Futures, help me out here. We got to get to 1,000 here.
All right, hang on. We're gonna look at this news come out, guys, and then we'll go back and do the last 2 winners. Okay? I have not forgot. We got 2 more to do, but I want to see this news come out.
If you're short the gold, you got to be flat into the number. Okay, CPI number. What do you think? Up or down? I think gold's going to go to maybe 42.10. Strongest level. There it goes. Forget it. Strongest level since November 2004. Thank you, Kyle.
Well, Steven, this was very
Gold's going to 10. Watch.
Non-dramatic.
12. Michael Jock, I think he could be right. Could go to 12. ICT wins again? No, it was a person, I think, right?
Yeah.
S&Ps, if you're short, S&Ps look to cover below 96. NASDAQ look to cover below 03. If you're short the NASDAQ, S&Ps just got cabooshed. NASDAQ just got cabooshed. Anybody short NASDAQ S&Ps? Nobody? Oh, my God. S&P's down 3. Gold just dropped. Look at the Nasdaq get absolutely off the 15-minute time frame. Gold dropping. Long soybeans, love it. What's the symbol for soybeans on TradeStation? SB. Is it? I gotta look.
All right, let's do these last two winners. You don't have to do anything. MFFU will send you your account details without you doing anything. I'm not even going to try to pronounce your name. T-Impact, congratulations.
Your short S&Ps, good job. Lower your stops, down 4. Nasdaq just got cabooshed. I think Nasdaq just dropped 17. Good job, JT111.
And Sicilian, congratulations.
Yes, you need to join MyFunded. You need to go to MyFundedFutures or my YouTube for the raffle giveaways. Okay. If you want MyFundedFutures giveaway, you got to go there. Okay. Smoke screen 660 up. Great job. Just passed the eval. Good job. Are you up today?
Yeah.
How much tonight?
300.
300. Great job. I have S here. Why is it? What do you mean? ZS? Let me see. No, it's S on TradeStation here. Soybeans. Even with that news, it only ran like 4 cents. That's nothing. They're trying. You think it would be a limit up, but not really. Is a giveaway happens daily? AJ Profit. It could. Take note, Z Marvel. I do not look at candles, but you can if you like. Let's look at this crazy silver. Just dropped. Silver's been quiet tonight, though. 33 down to 17. It's moving, though. It's moving. It came out. It was stronger than expected.
Okay.
China set one midpoint CNY, strongest level since November 6, 2024 from Kyle. All right, gold hit that 05.5, then dropped 2.5, 3. S&Ps and Nasdaq got cabooshed. Okay, you're shorting what? ES 698. It got up there already, didn't it? I think it got up to what? 98. Did it get up to 98?
98.25.
Yeah, that's what it got short. That's the bear flag. I said look to short 97 up to 02, and there it was right here, 98.25. Dropped 4. Okay. Congratulations, AJ. Silver went to sleep. I agree. I don't know why silver went to sleep. Gold went to sleep. You would think with a CPI number like that, gold would shoot up, but maybe not. It's getting cabooshed. Just dropped 4. Very overextended here. $12 from the 10 bar. Silver just dropped from 33, dropped 16. Dodgers 2-1 after 5. Is this if they win and they win it all? They go to the World Series if they win. It's digesting the news. It could be. Maybe they priced it in. Maybe because they had the run up from 75 up to 03, right? 05, maybe. Well, index futures were pretty active tonight. Okay. Silver kind of slow, but a couple good shorts. Okay. All right. Congratulations to the 10 winners for my 7-day trial. Okay. Free trial. Brewers in 7. Ooh, Brian. Look at the bull on Brian. Look at that. What was the number? They just said it was the best number since 2024.
No, it is 0.1.
0.1?
Yeah, they expected 0.2%.
Okay. Okay. Best out of 3? Got it.
Oh no.
Gold just dropped 5. S&Ps dropped 3. Nasdaq dropped about 15. Look at the gold getting cabooshed. Silver cabooshed.
Yeah.
Look at that. Unbelievable. Arton. I think Arton's right. Look at this gold down 8. What a piece of garbage. My God almighty. Damn, that was 500. Doomslayer forever. Good job. Chicken Trader. Chicken Trader, why'd you text me 914-500-7484? See if I can help you out. Okay, Chicken Trader. Michael, Aaron says it's easy to turn off the sound. And thank you, Aaron. If you want to put the winners in the chat, that would be nice. Thank you, Aaron. Tough on gold tonight. Let's go Dodgers. Come on, guys. Can we get to 600 here? I know it's slow. Gold just dropped here. If gold drops, let's look at the daily. I mean, for me, I don't know what I just did. If you want to look at the daily on gold, I mean, let's look at gold on the daily. You're $251 above the 10-bar weighted moving average. So right then and there, 250 points, it brings down to 38.50 minimum. But here's the problem. If you take out 40.13 on the way down, and if this number right here, so this number here is higher than where the algorithm reverses, okay? So normally the rule of thumb is when the moving average, which is the orange line, is higher, okay, than where the algorithm reverses, you should get an absolute caboosing here. So basically, again, the algorithm right here is 185 points lower, and the moving average is 250 points, just a touch. So it means if the price just goes near the moving average, the algorithm would reverse to sell. So I think gold is going to break 4,000. If it does, it'll be short-lived, okay? Because if you look at the weekly chart right here, you can see, all right, if you see here, you're 500 points. So 500 brings it down to maybe like 36.50. I think that's more realistic to buy the gold, somewhere in there, okay? I think something like, if you look at the monthly here, you're 1,000 points. So I don't think either way, whatever number, 3,200, 3,000 is not going to get broken on gold. That's my personal opinion. That's my personal opinion. Okay. All right. Good job on the short on the gold, John. Good job. Up 1,400. Great job. Great job. All right. Now you just got to come down to Florida and trade. All right. Have a good night, JR. Inflation is going to go down faster than expected in China. Good job, Jeffrey. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. All right. So you're 1,000 points above the right here, the moving average. That would be something. 1,000-point drop in gold. I would love it. Then you back up the truck and buy everything. You back up the truck and buy everything. Geraldo, great job. Up 800. Great job, Geraldo. 36.50. Well, Bitcoin, I think Bitcoin's going to go lower. Bitcoin's going to go lower with the market. Okay. And if anybody has any questions or anything like that, who's this? Good night, SK up 600. Great job. Okay. We had close to 600 tonight. All right. And about, Denny, you did 5 already?
Yes, I did, Steve. Yes, I did.
South Tribe trades 1,300 for the night. See you tomorrow. Great job, Great job. All right, let's see if this gold can drop.
Drop gold.
Gold just dropped 7.
You think it'll still come back to 91?
We got a double blue buy here, so the moving average comes in at 91.80. So I'd like to see it get between 91 and 93 range. maybe not 90, 92 and a half, 93 range. I want to see where the oscillator gets to. You're welcome from Barcelona. Mad Skills, how are you? 522. S&Ps, NASDAQ, that was a great short on NASDAQ. The only trade I did not take here on the S&Ps was this long here, because I'm not going to take a long when the 30 and the 15-minute time frames are in sell mode here. Not going to do it. Not going to do it. Absolutely not going to do it. Not going to do it. Okay, not going to do it. All right. All right. Let's see here. All right. Let's see. In 4 minutes, I'll do my rest of my 10 giveaways for 7 free days to my live stream. Okay. And crude oil, just making new lows, crude oil. Absolutely cabooshed. Absolutely cabooshed on the crude. Crude's going to like the 55, 54. Oil, gold just dropped 8. Here we go. Here we go. Look at this gold. Oh my God. I think you're right. If gold gets down to the 86.5 to 92.5 range, I would look to buy it off the 5. Let's just see here. Again, I would switch. Hello from Australia, Just Trades. What part of Australia? Yeah, I said when it got up to that 03, 05. Hey, Kate. Good job, Kate. S&Ps, caboosh down 5. NASDAQ dropped 20 off the highs. Anybody short the S&Ps or NASDAQ up there? Michael, you need this code, Michael? Yeah, I'll send it to you.
Oh, you should get another one.
Oh, here. Sorry. Look at this gold down 10.
Yeah.
NASDAQ up 700. Good job. Cabooshed. No, you got to put an ED on the end of it. Cabooshed, not caboosh. Artan, you get short up there, Artan? NASDAQ, S&P, or gold? Anybody? All right. We got about 600 tonight. Short S&P exit 91. Ooh. That could, the 15s are going in your favor. Look at this gold. It just keeps bouncing. I keep missing it. 94.80. You want this? I keep getting new.
Yeah, that's
Which one?
the most recent one.
I'm sending it to you. Look at this gold up 4. We got it, Denny. You know, I'm thinking we got to do some like giveaways. I got to figure a way. Brian, good job, Brian. We got to do some giveaways like with Kaboom and Caboosh with the T-shirts. What do you think, Denny? I don't know where Denny went.
I'm here. What are you thinking about though? Because
I don't know. We got to figure
out
the only hard part is how do you mail them to people?
That's what I'm saying. We'd have to
I
do
can't
it through
be like running to
UPS.
the UPS. I'll kill myself.
Send Michael.
You know,
I did not go to Denny's, Augustine. I personally do not like Denny's.
this gold's going right down. I know. I got to figure a way how to get it done professionally too. Maybe I could get MyFundedFutures, the Caboosh, and the Kaboom, and then get Michael. Is there a company that does that? Should be, right?
Oh, yeah.
That could. All right. All right. This gold's going to get
Waffle
one more.
House.
What's that?
No, they're making comments saying Denny's is good, and I'm like, I prefer Waffle House over Denny's.
Frat Motor up 5,000. Great job. This goal is going to get one more push up here. I'm hoping for 92.5. I don't know if you're going to get it. Nice bull flag on the 5 on the double blue here. Down 10. Look at this. 95. I hate to buy. I'm so confident it's going to 92.5, but
I'm thinking it might go to 84.
come on, push down. Just hit 95. 92.5 is my number, but all right. Yeah, can you imagine sending to the EU? It's going to cost me like $98. Well, that's what happened. Oh, here they go. It's going to rally. Look at this. All right, if you want to raise this 88 to 95 on the gold, I don't know. It's going to go here. Unbelievable. This gold is going to get another big push up off the 5. When these 5s turn up, it's going to get another push up here. I thought maybe 92.5, get down to 94.90. I'm exhausted. I got to do my podcast after this. Can you believe it? Because the audio wasn't working. There goes the gold up 4. That's the bull flag right here. See what the silver's doing. All right, let's do 10, Michael. Let's just call it a night here. Silver just ran 12. I got to leave the silver up. All right, we're going to do 10 more giveaways here. Okay, for my live stream, 7 days free. Gold, I would cancel the buy. Just ran 4. These 5s are going to turn right back up. You're going to see gold get a push above 4,200 here. There it is. Boom. There it is. There it is. $5 on the gold. There it is. There it is. All right. We're gonna share the screen so everybody can see it. See that gold? That's called the double blue buy. The 5 correlates with the 15, 30, and 60. You try to buy the first pullback on the 5. We're trying to anticipate the oversold condition on the 5-minute time frame into the 10-bar weighted moving average. Just ran 5. Okay. All right. Oh my God, Aaron, can we turn that noise off? All right, here's 10. Here we go. 10. Boom. Backstore. Congratulations. ICT at the back. Nope. Once you win, that's it. You can't win for 3 months. Next. All right. And then after this, Danny will give his 5. Circuit. I can't even tell you.
Circuit Tech LLC.
Okay. Okay. The LA Dodgers. Arton, is that you? Oh my God. You have to be a new person. Okay, you have to be new. Silver's not going up. Nope. No. Joyce Fernandez. No. That MyFundedFutures is you can only win 3 times. You can't win more than 3 times. For me, my rules are you can only win 1 time in 3 months. And this is only for new people who have never experienced my live room. I'm doing this for free. KR at KRYFC2VB. My brain hurts. Gold just rallied 6. Arton, was that you? You really, Arton? Okay. Morocco Tech. Okay. Little baby Jesus 69. Okay, okay. Arton wants to give up his LA Dodgers, Michael. So we're gonna cancel that and give it to somebody else. Okay. Thank you, Arton. How could you not remember? Trade for pay 01. Great job. How many is that? 9? 8. We got 3 more. Arton's giving up his. Thank you, Arton. All right, let's see what we're doing here. Roseanne trades. Congratulations. 2 more. Oh, wait. Wait, the LA Dodgers, that's not Arton? Hold on one second. MWR trades. Wait, hold on one second. The LA Dodgers, that's me. I'm new. That's not Arton? I'm confused here. Is that Arton? Okay, whoever. We got 20. Okay, is that 20?
Yeah.
All right. I don't know. Is the LA Dodger Arton? It's only for people who have never been here before. So I'm a little confused. I just guessed it was Arton because he's a big Dodger fan. So I figured it was him. Okay. All right. So that's 20. 20. That's for people who have never been in my live stream before. Okay. You get 7-day free access to check it out. Okay. Period. Okay.
You want me to go ahead and do my 5 right now, Steven?
Let's do your 5.
Who's going to be lucky winners? You can win 3 times a month on free accounts. After that, you can't win anymore for the rest of the month. LA Dodgers. I don't know why he keeps putting these blank names in there.
Stay blue. Okay.
No. I can't put in blank names.
Oh, got it.
Let's see. Trader Cody, congratulations.
There you go. Yeah, gold just died.
Kenny Terhune. I'm just going to call you Kenny. Kenny, congratulations. Michael Pitts, congrats.
Oh my God, Michael Pitts. Congratulations, Michael Pitts.
Got 2 more. Let's see who the lucky 2 are going to be. David Snyder.
Oh my God.
Do you know who that is, Steven?
No.
Oh.
No, I seen him. I don't know him.
And Robert Lopez, congratulations to all the winners. You do not need to do anything. Your accounts will be issued to you within the next 24 hours. Please do not open up or spam support tickets.
Okay, thank you. All right, it's been confirmed. The LA Dodgers winner is not Arton, so you officially won. Okay, thank you, Arton. Okay, I just figured it was you because you always go crazy with the Dodgers. All right. So we got about 5 minutes here. Not a bad night. Okay. Again, I think the next push up on the gold and silver, when they get overbought on the 5, you would want to short them. Okay. S&Ps, NASDAQ futures, absolutely nothing. 2 great shorts on the S&P, 2 great shorts on the NASDAQ. That was it. And we'll be back tomorrow night at 8 o'clock. Really non-event on the CPI number. I think the run-up was prior, right? Well, you got to just keep official music. You got to just keep trying, right? Right. Mahi, great job, Mahi. Great day, everybody. S&Ps, gold. There goes the silver off the 5. Just rallied 20 cents on the silver on the 5 right here. You can see it right here on the silver. Right here. Just ran 14, 15. Gold got into that 95 range and pushed up. Good night, everybody. Okay, let's see. Thank you, Adam Daz. Thank you, MyFundedFutures. Thank you, Denny. Thank you.
No, Stephen, thank you for giving us your time every single night.
Thank you, guys. And I really love it here. I love doing this. I love being with all of you. Again, most important, learn the patterns and always have to maintain stops, preservation of capital, most important. And again, it's about hitting singles and doubles. Look at the silver go. Gold just rallied 6 off that pullback off the 5 on the double blue. You can just see it right here. I was hoping for a lower price, 92.5 on the gold. The low was 94. I believe the low was 94.90 here on the gold. You can see the pullback. This is called the double blue. The 5 correlates with the 15, 30, and 60, right into the 10 bar. I thought 94. I tried to raise it to 95, but it was already trading at 97.5, 98. Mike Jacques, okay, if this gold gets up to that, I think this gold is probably going to 08 to 10, 11. Okay. Let's see the bigger time frames really quick before we go here. Let's look at the 30-minute here. Pushing up. 30-minute time frame is actually very bullish. It's going up with the price. We're making new highs. That's bullish. Look at the 60-minute. Major short. Look at this. Non-confirmation. Look at that. I say let them have them. That's a major short right there. On any board, and you have if this gold gets to like a 93, 94 overbought reading on this Mike Jock, you see this? Everybody, this gold is going to make a new high, making new highs. You want to wait for an overbought reading, probably around the 89, 93 range, and then you let them have them. This is a non-confirmation here. If you draw your horizontal line, you can see that the gold is making a new high here, and the MACDs cannot confirm on the 60-minute time frame. Let them have them. That's what I say. And I say it will get absolutely kabooshed there. All right. Zero Rush, how are you? Okay. Blue Strike Cheetah, Eddie Sargent. All right, everybody. All right, Denny, have a great night, everybody. I'll see you tomorrow. And congratulations to the 20 winners for my live stream. Congratulations to the 10 winners on MyFundedFutures. That brings MyFundedFutures to exactly 618. I gave away 40, 20 last night, 20 tonight. Guys, we're doing this to help all of you, and hopefully all of you will win and be successful. That's the bottom line, to be consistent and to be profitable and to be able to return the next day. And most of all, consistency is everything. It's the process you take for the progress, right? You always want to see progress. All right, with that being said, thank you, Denny. Thank you all. Have a great night. God bless you, and God bless the United States of America. Good night, everybody.
Everyone, see y'all tomorrow morning. Y'all have a great night. Good night, Stephen.
Good night, brother.
Yeah. Charts scribbled like hieroglyphs, secrets in the mist. Candlesticks whisper, every wick got a twist. Fibonacci spiral, price dance in a trance. Pyramids of profits if you catch the right glance.
Inner circle move, shadows on the screen. Trading on the edge, chasing that dream. Cipher in the candles, fortune in the haze. The cipher in the riddle, money through the maze.
Liquidity hunt, snipers in the dark. Stop loss graves marked by the market shark. Order block sermons, preaching through the pain. Catch the ICT code, ride the profit train.